Hi folks, this is Lee Gettess. We've got the market sense for you for the week of March 10th, 2015. We're going to look at some charts that come from the Trade Navigator software, and oh boy, have we got some stuff to show you. After a pretty good break here a few weeks ago, bonds had a solid week up that just got trashed last week. A lot of this is on Friday's employment report, but it doesn't matter. Big trashing. And it looked really serious, looked like they should be flying down here below 154 in the 153 area, and they have turned back up amazingly quickly. The resistance that should have held them if they were going to continue to go down is around 157.28, and actually it would have took a pretty good rally just to get there. Well, they're above that. They're in the mid 158 area, and 159.25 is the middle moving average here. And I don't know, 62.08 up here at the upper moving average. You going to tell me they can't get there? I'm not going to tell you that. I don't really know what's driving them. I do know this. Everybody expects the Fed to raise interest rates, and, that should kill the bond market, right? But how can U.S. interest rates on their bonds go up when everybody else in the world is going down? I don't know. Just there's something weird's going on here, and it's a little tough to qualify. But support was all the way down here in the 153 area at the projected low in the lower Keltner band. Didn't think they would get there. Didn't think they'd turn back up this quickly though. And there they are. That's what you got so far. So they could go down here. They could go up here. I really just don't know what's driving them. So I'm a little afraid of them. Probably leaving them alone. Stocks have, well, they don't really have the opposite situation. It's weird. Last week broke down a large part of it on Friday's employment report, and they have pretty much continued so far this week. And this is really tricky because the resistance to hold them and knock them down is at 2082, and that's pretty much where the high of the week is so far. They've broken down below the 2053 area here, but they're right near the mid-Keltner channel. That's, just a hair below 2040. That really is good support. If there's any hope of this market making new highs, they'll probably hold in that area and go back up. But are they holding support? Did they hold the? It's very difficult to want to buy support when they've already held the resistance for the week. A price bar has to create one end and then the other, and it sure looks like they might have made the high first. Now, if that's not true, then we might be back up here to the middle moving average in the 2100 level, and I mean this week. That's if they hold this support and turn back up. But I'm not really sure what would cause them to turn and start back up. They could. This is good support. But again, they've already traded resistance. Boy, another scary week. How about we just go party and forget about it for the week, right? Well, it's probably what I'm going to do. But hopefully you can find something to get yourself involved with that'll put a little money in your account for you. Thanks for checking in to see how we're looking at things.